Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Chrissy M and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be reviewing the new Fenty Beauty. This is their Bright Fix. This is their eye brightener concealer. You guys, when I first found out that they came out with this concealer, I was so excited. I could not wait. So let's go ahead and hop into it.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford.
Okay, so I did pick up one corrector shade, which is the shade Pumpkin, and I also picked up Toffee. I probably should have picked up more of a highlight shade, but I wasn't thinking at the time. I just knew that I have a little bit of a darker under eye, and I wanted to correct it with the Pumpkin. So we're gonna be rocking these shades, trying out these shades today, reviewing the actual product today. Okay, so the Bright Fix comes in 16 shades. Now, this is an under eye brightener that easily hydrates, brightens, and conceals. It's supposed to deliver a fast, natural, no makeup effect with a sheer to buildable coverage, crease, humidity, and sweat-resistant longwear formula. So excited for this, like, seriously, this is like the best thing. I love it. So it's also a lightweight, smooth, and comfortable concealer. It's supposed to blend out easily, also reduce the appearance of fatigue, and provides a flawless finish. Instantly blurs and makes the under eyes appear more bright. That's amazing. That's amazing if that's what it's going to do for my eyes. Okay, so I've already done like a little eyeshadow look. I kind of did like the little foxy eye thing I'm doing for TikTok. So if you're not following me on TikTok, you guys head over. Miss Chrissy M on TikTok. Follow your girl. So we're gonna go ahead and prime with the Fenty Beauty. This is their Pro Filter Matte Primer. I'm just going to prime my face. I have oily skin, so we're gonna see how this is going to play out on my skin. Okay, so I'm just going to swatch out both shades so that you could see them. Now, a little goes a long way with this product is pretty much what it's saying as well. So you really don't need that much up underneath your eye when you're using this product. So let's get the focus going on. Camera. Okay, so this shade right here is Pumpkin, and this shade is Toffee. You guys can see that. So we have Pumpkin right here, and then we have Toffee. So as you can see, a lot. It goes a long way, but the shades are so gorgeous. Okay, let's go ahead and get these under our eyes and see what they're looking like, how it's playing out. So we're gonna go in with the Pumpkin first because I do have a little bit of a darker under eye, and I'm just going to place a few little dots right under my eye, here and here. Okay, so now we're gonna blend out. I'm using this e.l.f. This is the actual concealer sponge, and I'm just gonna go up underneath my eye. While we're doing this, you guys, and as you guys can see, a little goes a long way. I put too much. When they create these concealers, Rihanna tested these concealers for skin tones and shades all around the world. So that part is so amazing because it fits in with the Pro Filter family. I love how she's making it for like those no makeup days, because literally, like, if you're super tired or you just don't want to wear a full face of makeup every day, because who does, you know, you can just pop a little bit under the eye and then also mix it with the skin tint, and you can have like a light, natural, you know, no makeup day. So that's what I love about it. And you guys, a little does go a long way. Look how my under eye is looking. I put too much, but that's okay. I'm gonna put foundation on, so it'll cover it up, but it blends out so nicely. Like, even though it's a light, sheer medium build, it's still covering my dark under eye. Like, it's still, the coverage to me is there. So now we're gonna go in with the shade Toffee. I don't know what it is. Okay, there we go. Shade Toffee is here. There we go, camera. This camera be acting up. Like, what's going on? Okay, we're gonna place a little bit up underneath the eye. And I probably should have put my foundation on and then did this. You guys, let me add my foundation. I'm gonna use the Ease Drops. Fenty Beauty, their new Ease Drops. I have the shade 20. I also have shade 19, but we're gonna use 20 today. I'm just gonna place this all over my face. And then we're going to blend it out with a damp beauty blender. And then we're going to add the toffee shade up underneath the eye. Because I've been doing this like routine where I'm doing my foundation first. And then I do my concealer. And I don't want to, you know, stop the flow of doing that. So I'm just going to build this up a little bit. And then we're going to get into concealer. I absolutely love the skin tint, and I feel as if it definitely complements, you know, these concealers so well. Again, this is more of a, you know, medium to, you have to build this up, okay? It's not going to be your full coverage. It's a skin tint. It's made for, again, like summertime if you want to have something light on your face. Nothing full coverage is about this, but it is buildable. So if you do have spots and stuff on your face, you may want to correct those and set them before applying the skin tint, but ultimately it's very, very light. I also wanted to say the pumpkin corrector, the Bright Fix, that's also light as well. So very lightweight, it's very comfortable. I absolutely love it. It's not heavy at all. All right, so pretty, so light, so natural finish, luminous. I mean, I love it. I love it. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with toffee, and we're just gonna place toffee up underneath our eyes and blend that shade out. And again, we're gonna do just a little. It goes a long way, but it is very lightweight. And then we're gonna set this with a setting powder. I'm probably gonna use the Fenty Beauty Honey. Since we're just using Fenty Beauty, why not? And I'm just blending out toffee under the eye. And if you feel like you're just not getting that coverage, you can definitely like build it up again. Now we're gonna go in with the Pro Filter. This is their mini instant retouch in the shade Honey. I love how it has like a little mini powder puff. I think that is just the cutest thing. It's crazy because the Laura Mercier powder doesn't even have the powder puff. And I'm like, why does it not have a powder puff? It was freaking $40. Like, that's not cheap at all whatsoever. So yeah, you guys, I'm just placing that right up underneath the eye. Ooh. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go in with the Patrick Ta. This is their new like bronzer contour, cream contour and powder contour set. I got it during the Sephora VIB sale. I'm just going to contour my face. I feel like I always go a little overboard when it comes to contour. Like, Kristen, calm down. Also, I wanted to say I finished up my whole makeup look. I had to do some things around the house, so I'm just now hopping back on here. I've had this foundation on and the concealer for like some hours now, maybe about 4 or 5 hours. I wanted to hop back on here just to kind of show you all what it looks like for me wearing it for that period of time. I went outside, I ate some food. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of things. Plus, it's really warm in my apartment for some reason. It's always freaking in the 80s. So the air is now on, but this is what my skin looks like. This is what everything looks like. Okay. It's not bad at all. I would love to do a video where I'm doing like a whole day wear just to kind of get a feel for what it's really gonna look like, because 5 hours, I mean, that's nothing, but I don't know. All right, so that's gonna conclude today's video. If you guys made it to the end of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.
Life is what you make it. Life shit been amazing.